guys. Thank you so much for having an amazing time over here. For me, and the crew, it has been a lot of work, and it's just so amazing to see all you guys smiling and happy and making connections. So I just want to, this is not the thing that okay, well, no slide. All right, so we ended up having a really record year for us with 515 main conference attendees. This is up from 400 last year. We also have another 127. That's okay. We also have another 127 people that just registered for workshops. Whoa, how cool. Anyway, and at one point, you guys tweeted almost 60 tweets a minute. So thank you so much for all the love. And for all of the crew, for the crew that has worked so hard to put this together, I can speak for them that just watching all you beautiful people smiling and making connections is just really heartwarming. And another thing that was really exciting for me at the end of today was that we're still doing stats over here. So at the end of the day, what was really exciting for me is that two university professors came up and said that this is such a great conference that we want to go out to our deans to write grants next year to fund our students to be able to attend and the faculties to be able to attend. So I'm really excited that we're able to have an impact in the community in the ways that we didn't expect as well. And so let's see. Until next year, if you are local, you can definitely go and check out North Bay Python. It's a smaller conference up in the North Bay. Some of you guys have been there. It's great, right? Yeah. And Bay Piggies Meet is a meetup. Yay, Bay Piggies! Fourth Thursday of each month. Yeah, right? Sunnyvale, there you go. Jeff was the person that got you guys all the books and book authors. Yay, Jeff. Yeah. Peninsula meetup, woo! Last Tuesday of each month. And SF Python, we meet twice a month. Whoa! Like every week, you guys have something going on. And Dina over there, she's amazing. She's leading a new PyLadies group for people that are wanting to do study groups on Sunday. And then they go out for lunch afterwards. So it's really exciting to see the community growing. And thank you so much. Yeah. So next year, we are thinking of probably doing this on the first weekend. That's okay, I don't have a slide for that. First weekend of August is where we're thinking. So I hope that you guys will come back next year. And thank you so much. There are T-shirts that are downstairs that we have left over in case you want to grab some or just help us unload those. And thank you so much for coming.